If you want to use voice typing on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and go to Additional Settings. Then choose Languages and Input, then go to Manage Keyboards, and then choose Gboard. Now once we go to Gboard settings, so our keyboard settings, we should be able to find voice typing. We want to go over here and you want to make sure that voice typing is enabled. Of course, we can also enable faster voice typing, which is something that we can easily do over here by tapping on this switcher. Once we know that voice typing is enabled, you should be able to activate your keyboard. You can turn it on, you can show it up. Then in the upper right corner, you can find this microphone. You can tap on it and grant it the permission to record audio for the keyboard. And then whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. Unfortunately, my keyboard disappeared, so let's do that again. Now, whatever you say, it can be converted to speech, as you can see over here on the screen. And you can tap on the microphone again in order to turn it off in case it doesn't do that automatically. Leave a like and subscribe.